Bulk carriers make swift changes from one type of cargo to the next, and flexibility is key to enable frequent and thorough cargo hold cleaning to maintain cargo quality and minimize contamination. Our chemicals are formulated, blended, and benchmarked against stringent international standards. They are compatible with most hold coatings and will not degrade the surface nor contaminate, roughen, or damage them, tackling harsh grease, grime, and stain with ease. Complemented by robust equipment such as chemical applicator kits, high pressure hold cleaning machines, descalers, safety protection gear, and other raw materials, benefit from our efficiency, superlative results, and environmentally safe options. To top it off, we are a key provider of full service cleaning or shore gangs to vessel operators in port. The cleaning gangs are equipped to handle complex bulk cleaning procedures and ensuring these are ready for inspection or loading of the next cargo. Our supercargos and port captains can also provide remote cleaning advice and professional expertise.